advertising my forthcoming webinar next Thursday at 6 p.m. Australian Central Time. We're going to go deep on content and how to fix your content so people will buy. So a lot of people are getting crickets on their content. They don't know what to do, to fix that. So I'm going to be talking about kind of why that is, and why content is so important. It frames everything else in terms of making offers and making sales. So just to give you a quick taster of what you expect, on the screen you will see a slide on different types of content, and we'll be going deep on each one of those in terms of going from, say, low value content, what a lot of people are doing, on inspirational. You kind of see all of these memes and inspirational quotes a lot of people are doing, which are kind of, I would say, low value content, up to kind of high value content, moving through informational type content to kind of implementational content where they can actually take something away. So as I say, I'll be going deep on this in my forthcoming webinar, again Thursday 2nd of March at 6 p.m. Australian Central Time. So register below. I think it'll work out in your own time when you register, but it'll be great to see you there, and interaction about kind of what makes good content. Okay, I'll see you there, guys. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.